Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra. Today is day 16 of our 100-day price action challenge. And today also we have seen a large market sell-off. In fact, we have discussed yesterday that these were the levels we have to watch. In fact, Nifty has closed exactly at this support. As of now, it's very crucial level. I am expecting one or two consolidation sessions here. If it happens, it's well and good. If there is again another severe sell-off, we might test 23,900 as the next support. Nifty next 50 charts look much better than Nifty 50 charts. You can see that the support has been broken and is heading down. It doesn't look good, so stay away from the market. The market has been very volatile, especially on the downward side. If you look at Nifty 100, even that too, it has closed below this support. Let's expect that again it to consolidate here. Finally, the mid caps, the small caps are also showing weaknesses. We still have this Friday low, which was the sharp bounce the market has taken place. The same thing is expected here, and also we can expect this trend line as the support here. But again, you are seeing there is some stress in your portfolio, right? Although few names have been doing very well in such market, but most of the names are not doing great. Even in the micro cap, we have seen a selling pressure of 1% today. So the entire broader market has becoming weaker. Probably the effect of Fed meeting outcome is expected very soon. And if you look, there has been a strong selling in banks, especially yesterday and today. We thought that the banks were acting very strong, but looks like we were wrong. That's what the price action tells us. We should be fast enough and adaptive enough to change our opinions. Private bank too becoming very weak. In fact, public sector banks have seen a much higher pressure than the public bank. IT is still holding up. See, at least one thing is going well, and we have been seeing how IT is doing. Auto has also become very weak. Realty stocks finally gave some. They need some breather because they were acting very strong, and even today it is not a worrisome price action. In fact, Pharma has tried to lift up today. Although the closing was not as strong as expected, but it is a very decent closing. Infra 2 has gave up into the weakness. Even the infra charts are also looking weaker now. FMCG is fairly flat today because most of the selling has already been done. Even telecom too, after yesterday's massive sell-off, nothing happened here. Healthcare too, just like pharma, has tried to recover today. So now let's start with our daily analysis very quickly. Reliance saw a buying support during the last mm, trading hours, and we can see that it did not close above yesterday's close, but good because of Reliance and TCS. In fact, the recovery in the last half an hour, last 1 hour, market has seen some kind of recovery. Otherwise, Nifty 50 would have been also corrected just like Nifty next 50. You can see HDFC Bank has corrected. This was the support level, and I think we have to exit. Whoever has taken entry here, it is an indication that let's exit here itself, so that we are exiting at the break even or even hardly 1%, 1.5% stop loss itself, because we don't want to trade in such market. Bharti Airtel too again closed at this trendline support. It would be interesting to watch. The next support would be 1572. If it breaks down, I think we are going to see a sell off and 1515 level. ICICI Bank too has just touched its level. Let's not exit this bank very soon. We will see. If tomorrow sessions confirms it again, we have to take the exit. Infosys is acting much better today. SBI again become very weak, so this would be our exit call. So let's exit the banks today. We don't want to have such kind of volatility. ITC is holding up, good sign. Hindustan Unilever still much weaker. LICC, it is still heading down. They are getting weaker and weaker. HCL has fairly held up. We have been seeing this strong for a very long day, so it is acting well. LNT, this marks our exit again. If you haven't entered, do not enter LNT too. Only enter unless and until it breaks above this level again. Looks like this was a fake breakout kind of thing. Unless and until the market improves or recovers, let's not take any positions. Let's be very cautious. Sunfarmer too, still strongly holding up. It is not getting corrected. That's a good sign. Bajaj Finance, same story again, reversing back. NTBC, I have told you that this was the crucial support and it has broken out yesterday. And this is the new series leg of selling pressure, right? Again, today it has confirmed strong volumes, 2% down. The perfect stock to make a short position, like discussed yesterday. Axis Bank not doing good. Again, waiting for its support. Maruti to again heading down. It's again getting. This would be the support for Maruti. If this level is broken out, you might see another selling pressure in Maruti too. Kotak again, nothing happened here, but still there is no strength in the stock. M&M still holding up, right? That's the difference between look at Maruti, look at Tata Motors, and look at Mahindra and Mahindra. It is still fairly holding up these tight levels. I like this. When the market condition improves, this would definitely move up. ONGC again getting weaker and weaker. This would be the most recent support. Let's hope that it doesn't break. Look at Tata Motors again. Another major sell off today. In fact, a crucial support has been broken. Now that we have this level broken out, the next support could be somewhere around here, which is 700 rupees. So if you still didn't exit, I think you have missed a lot of rally. The stock, in fact, was down almost 36%. It looks very bad. Stay away from auto names. Ultratech 2 not looking very great. Still, this support, this would be the crucial support, which is 11,680 range. If this is taken out, we might see another sell off here. Adani Enterprises looking dangerous again. If this support is taken out, you might see another selling pressure. Power Grid 2 has become weak. It has been consolidating, but today it too has gave up. Titan, nothing moved today, not interesting here. Bajaj Auto, it moved down, and exactly there has been some buying at this low levels. Let's hope that it doesn't correct like Tata Motors. Otherwise, if this line is taken out, we would see a massive selling pressure again. Adani Ports to getting weaker, right? Look at all Adani stocks. I have been telling you, do not touch this name. It has been very volatile. They are going down. Coal India, I've told you yesterday, this was the crucial level. And today you see, let's hope that this is just a shakeout and tomorrow the market bounces. If it doesn't happen and if it stays here for a few more days, that's the exact thing same happened here, right? It corrected here and got up here. Looks like this was a fake breakout. Again went down. Again it moved up. It tried to break out here but consolidated tightly but again gave back. Same thing is repeating. So stay away from Coal India. Again, very weak name. Asian Paints again getting weaker and weaker. We have been discussing it every day. And Wipro, look at it. Same thing repeat. It is much stronger in the market. There is no one selling in Wipro. I'm a little bit surprised at its strength. Look at the other weak names and look at this is the perfect example, right? Look at Coal India and look at Wipro. You see the difference, right? How it is acting on a weekdays and how it is acting on Hindustan Aeronautical, again, it has become weaker. We have been warning that this would be some indication of undecisiveness, and today the sellers have been confirmed. So, again, stay away from this name. Probably this could again trigger a new selling pressure. Bajaj Finance not looking good. DMart again looking very bad, going down and down. Ignore this name. Trent, a very strong action. Now, notice the difference, right, on Trent? You see strong buying force today, up 2.5%. Even the volume is little bit higher. That's what we want. Good price action. Adani Green, very weak. See again, you see that this levels is broken. All the Adani stocks, whatever there was a buying here, all Adani stocks were breaking down today. That's what maybe another selling pressure. Simons, I've told you, this might be again looking like it is going to back, coming to this channel support. JSW Steel again becoming very weak in last few days. It acted very strong, but it only takes few sessions for the market to give back all the gains. That's why we have to protect our gains. We have to protect, stay away from losing stocks. Same Adani Power very weak. Zomato too also, at least it is still we have this 280 level as a stop loss. If it goes below this, I'm getting out of Zomato too because in such a market I don't want to stay in the stocks which doesn't make me money. Nestle again very weak. In fact, all these names, look at IOC. I've been telling you that this could be the start of a new short selling, right? If you have shorted here, that would be a perfect. It would have been 6% gain on a futures short positions. That would have been a fantastic trade. But again, don't try to long. This is not a market to go long heavily on futures or heavily on options, even in the cash market too. Bharat Electronics today this marks again this is a sellout. Our stop loss has been hit. This was our entry and we are exiting at 2.5%. So let's accept our defeat. Let's give in to the market. Let's agree that the market is weak and we don't want to take any more losses. Varun Beverages to same story. See, till yesterday, these stocks were acting well, and today they have gave up. That is not something I want. Maybe the market recovers tomorrow or day after tomorrow, but we don't know, right? It could have also correct much higher. Better stay away. Even Geo Finance, we thought that it is acting little better, and just the minute we thought it is acting better, and it too has gave into the weakness. Look at it. All the stocks are not acting well. This is signaling that you can understand the market sentiment, right? The market environment is changing. DLF holding well, so far so good because reality stocks are acting well. Tata Steel again very weak. Vedanta too again going down. Even today it has closed below the psychological 500 level. Probably this would be the level. 476 would be the next support. Grasim acting very weak. We thought cement and infra would follow, but they didn't. So let's not get too much into that. IRFC2. I've told you not do not judge the railway stocks by single day performance. Never get emotional with the theme. There would be bunch of news articles that IT railway stocks again are back into the game. But do you see that? The entire single day was sold off. Now currently the market is heading lower. Let's just not mind. Even LTIM, one of the strongest name, even it too has corrected. It has seen some profit booking. This resistance line would act as the support. As long as it protects this support, we are good. Otherwise, we have to exit LTIM too. Indigo is still holding up. See, while other names are falling, this is still holding up. That's the strength of the stock. Tech M2 holding up. That's the strength of the stock. SBI Life another again new low. You can see this was the tight consolidation. The stock was holding somewhere in this range for a few days. Now the stock has gave up. I'm just zooming out so that we can see what is the next nearest support. You can see that this would be acting as again a new support level. This would be crucial 1375. As of now it looks like it is going to test that level. PD light 2 not yesterday's was a warning and today's confirmation. ABB2 again getting weaker. Divi's Lab, although Pharma has done well, this hasn't. This is the 50 moving average line. As of now, the stock is taking a rest here. Let's hope that it takes rest and again bounces back strongly. If it doesn't happen, it might have to breach this gap. HDFC Life not looking good. Hindalco again not looking good. This was another short series of like I've told you. Just we have seen in Coal India, we have seen in IOC similar kind of price action. See PFC2. I've told you when we were going here, let's wait for some time and let's only then take a position when it is confirmed. Now looks like it too gave into weakness. Not at all looking good. Britannia again very weak name. Ambuja Cement weak. Although cements are holding up, but again this has a lot of supply, right? So let's just not waste time. Gale to again got rejected here. Might probably test this line. Tata Power, same kind of price action, getting weaker and weaker. REC2 again correcting. Motherson, in fact, it has literally tested this support. Maybe this is the signal that again it is getting weaker. All this was nothing but just a distribution sign. It is not accumulation. Large institutions were selling it. If there is a breakdown here, you might expect another 15-16 percent correction from here. So that's why do not try to catch the falling knives. Same story with BPCL. This you see, right? All these levels were key important support levels. Market has literally coming at these levels. Last time we see a bounce back, but looks like it did not came to its previous high. Godrej Consumer Products not at all good. Eicher Motors too slowly slipping down. This one too was consolidating sideways, but now slipping down. Bank of Baroda looks like it is back into the range. Again, we might see some range here. Cipla too not great. Nothing major improvement here. JSW at least holding up a decent one. TVS Motor, as long as it breaks above this level, only we would consider. But right now, it looks weaker. Torrent, much better. Sun Pharma and Torrent are holding up at least in this correction. That indicates, right, the market is slowly, at least people are not selling these names. Sriram Finance, I've told you that this is a very volatile name. Stay away from this name. And today too, it has a very volatile session. But again, the closing was very weak. This was the support. It exactly closed there. Same with Chola Mandalam. Not at all looking good. See the major fall, and this could be the new lower high. This would be the first higher high. This would be the next lower high. So now we would be seeing another Bajaj holding still at least it is acting well. Unlike other stocks, it is not correcting. That's very good sign. Probably when the market improves or it becomes good, this would be the one to break out, just like Mahindra and Mahindra. Adani Energy Solutions not looking good. This would be the support level. Let's see how it happens. Punjab National Bank also looking very weak. It is going down. Dr. Reddy is a little bit improvement, but no change in fundamental. Look at Hindustan United Spirit. It tried to breach this level, but again there was a strong buying today also. In fact, the stock closed up. It is a good sign, right? As of now, good to go. Low the getting a pullback. Let's hope that it forms a consolidation and give us an entry. It is one of the stronger names in Nifty. I've told you yesterday this would be the crucial support. If it breaks this level, this would act as a new position for taking a short or a put or a short future, right? Again, very weak name. This would be the breakdown of the structure. This was the structure what I called the basing or the consolidation. Now even this structure has broke out. Let's hope that it gets quickly bounce back and we could call this a shakeout. But if it doesn't happen, it might slide down further. Havels too, same kind of story here. Bosch at least holding up very good. Apollo Hospital too similarly strong holding up. It is not giving up. Looks like hospitals are still in momentum. Uh, Zydus also nothing happening here. Lot of sell off and just now sideways. Look at Hero MotoCorp. Yesterday this was the breakdown of the structure, and now it is again engaging in another down session. Naukari, very strong name, still not even hesitating, not even little bit of correction, just like Wipro, very strong name. Tata Consumer Product, very weak name, ignore this one. Dabur, you know again what to do here. This would be the major support in Dabur. This 500 level. If the 500 is broken down, we would see another massive selling. Again, ICICI Lombard, this was the false breakout, fake breakout kind of thing. It is sharply falling down again. Jindal Steel, same story, sharply falling down. These were the stronger names. They came up so quick again, now they are coming down to in the same quicker way. Sri Cement, finally we saw some kind of correction here. We were hoping, let's hope that it consolidates here and only stays here. If it stays here in such volatile market and when the market improves, this breaks out, that is a good signal. Canara Bank still very weak, Union Bank still very weak. See, IndusInd again, ignore these names, they are getting weaker. Adani Gas weaker, NHPC weaker, BHL I've told you I've shorted here again, it is going down. IRCTC2 again, very bad name, going down. So that's the end of the 100 stocks. You've seen that the sentiment has been changing, it is getting worse. So stay caution, don't take aggressive trades, reduce your position size. In fact, take a little break from the market. Once the market settles, we can always come back in. So let me know if you want to increase the space of this video or if you want to shorten it further. I can do that. Please let me know in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. See you tomorrow. Subscribe to the channel Chart Shastra.